So hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video we'll be saying about how you can learn data structure and algorithms free of cost, and that is what is really excited about that this episode only. And to be honest guys, if you learn something like this data structure and algorithms from offline coaching centers, it is way far going to cost you around minimum 5 to 6,000. And also if you take online courses, you can literally from Udemy and Udacity or Coursera, that is even going to cost you that much only. But in this video we'll be talking about the completely free resources available out there, and later on we can dig deeper and have a look at the courses which you can learn which are better suited for you. So without wasting further more time, let us get into this video. But before that, if you are new to this channel, subscribe now, press the bell icon, and now here is the video. So guys, basically you can see here there is the free code camp's first course and first free resource in this video, that is a free 8-hour course from directly a data structure algorithms engineer from Google, and he is teaching this 8-hour course totally for free of cost, and that is the first resource which is available here. Now moving on to the second resource as fast as possible, that is the courses available on Udemy. Now these are, I know that there is a price tag over that, but literally you can watch my video that is in I button and also in description, and in that video you can basically see that there are different ways to take your Udemy course free of cost, and from there you can take the data structure course totally free of cost, and that is really a great video. You can have a look at that in the I button and also in description. So do check that out after watching this video. You can get free Udemy course, any Udemy course, not just data structure course but any Udemy courses free of cost. So do check that out. So moving on to the third free code resource that is available for learning data structure, that is data structure code course with the Code with Harry. Now moving on to into this course, let us see this course, and literally this course contains many more things. First of all, talking about it, there are like data structure notes from Code with Harry, that is Harish, and he is providing you free of cost notes also, and there are literally 92 lectures of him teaching about everything you need to know about data structure. And this, after watching this couple of videos, I got to see that basically he is creating this course in order to get you placements, and that course is literally around everything you need to know about getting into a data structure like engineering field, and this is totally focused on the placements and all the like questions asked in the interview about data structure. So you can have a look at that, and literally you can get his free courses notes in the link in description also, and yeah, have a look at that course also. And moving on to the fourth free resource available, and that is the directly course from Google itself, that is data structure and algorithm. Don't worry, the link in description provides you the way to this website. So first of all, let us have a look at that. Here you can see basically there you are going to learn much more topics like maps and dictionaries, linked lists, trees, stacks and queues, heaps, graphs, runtime analysis, searching and sorting, then recursion and DP. You are going to learn each and everything here, and don't worry because this course is directly certified and created by Google itself. So yeah, you are going to get top-notch knowledge in this course. So yeah, this is totally free of cost, but just because it has been created by Google, you can literally get best like content available out there for data structure and algorithms free of cost. That is also free of cost, and at the end of that you can also have a great like a certificate also. I think that is a certificate. So yeah, that was all about the free resources available till now. So yeah, till now we have got the 4 best resources to learn free like courses on data structure and algorithms. Do check my video on Udemy and other courses how you can get that for free in the I button and also in description. And also do not worry if you guys literally did not like any course from these 4 top resources. I'm going to add much more resources available in the link in description also. You can check that out after publishing this video. I will have a deep research also, and after that if I found any other course useful for you guys that is like a free of cost and also that is completely knowledgeable, I will provide that in description also. So do not worry about that. And now that was it about today's video. So if you learned something valuable, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family members and your classmates who who want to learn data structures, and also let me know in the comment section if you guys want more free resources available on data structures and much more things like that. I'll be much more than happy to share with you. And that was all about today's video. Hit the like button and comment down your thoughts. That was all about today's video, guys. Let us see you in the next one, and then take care. Bye.